We are about to light some fireworks today. Safety first, gotta get that jug of water. Let's begin. We got smoke ball from TNT Fireworks and the color is yellow. Oh, so beautiful. And now I got the blue one. Oh. Almost lost that at first. So cool. Wow, so cool. Next right here is Ground Bloom Flowers by TNT. This is gonna spin so violently. Gotta make sure I'm back up. Oh my god. And now another one. Took a little forever to get that thing going. Pretty cool. Got Smoke Stick from TNT Fireworks, red smoke. So we're about to begin. This is gonna go off like a fountain because I've done this before. Almost. Oh my god. No way. All right, we got this next firework, tank with reports, and I'm gonna use my lighter this time. And so here we go. Now, my bad, and I'm sorry when I shake the phone. Woo! Woo, my god. This next one is Painted Desert by Showtime Fireworks. So, yep. Here we go. Put my phone on charge. Woo! Oh my god. I think here comes the loud one now. It's starting to come. I can feel it. Ooh, some strobe. A little bit of strobe. Oh wow. That one's ready to come. Oh, my bad. Woo! I had to have these on because they were pretty loud, and I'm sorry that I shook the phone. I was not expecting that. Alright, next up is Dancing with Ghost. Okay, Dancing with Ghost by Wind of Fireworks. Woo! Woo! That's so cool. Woo! Oh my god. This one might be loud now, I think. Because I do forget easily about how these go. I did watch a video about this before. fine. Wow. Oh. That was so cool. All right, this is the last firework, and I don't know the name. Let me look that up real quick. All right, here's the result, and we're about to go ahead and get started. Line this thing up, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. That was so cool. Oh my god. It might emit some whistle, that's all I know. Thought it would. There we go. There we go. That was so cool. Something black right there. Oh yeah. That was great. Well, that was a lot of fun, and bye.